whipped goat cheese with candied bacon and dates. Oh, stay tuned, folks. This one's a winner. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Captain Cooks. My name is Will, and tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I have a treat for you. Tonight, we are going to be cooking for you whipped goat cheese with candied bacon and dates. My wife and I tried this the other day. We almost ate the whole thing. We were pretty much sick. But we're going to get right into that right now. It's super simple. This is a great party food, New Year's, Christmas. You guys are going to love it. Trust me, you're going to love this. Well, I've got all our ingredients ready to go here. We've got about 5 pieces of thick cut bacon. I like the thick cut bacon. It is really good stuff. And to that, we're going to add in some dates. You don't have to use dates. You could use apples. In fact, the first time my wife and I made this, we used apple. Great. We're going to add in a few tablespoons of rosemary, and then in about a teaspoon of brown sugar and some cayenne pepper. Just give that a stir up. Then we're going to add just a little bit of honey in there. Babe, where did we get the bacon from? From Hannaford? We got the bacon from Hannaford. I don't know where you folks, what grocery stores you have, but that's where we got it from. All right, so we're just gonna scatter this around a baking sheet, and I have put down some paper on this baking sheet because last time I didn't, I destroyed this very baking sheet. I wish you guys could smell this. I really do. And then this is gonna go into an oven at 400 till the bacon is cooked. In our particular oven, which is Fisher and Paykel, we're gonna bump it up to 420 because I find that the bacon cooks much better in there. You wanna get that right in the center of your oven. Close her up and check on it every maybe 5 or so minutes, give it a stir. Now for the good part, the goat cheese. This is Vermont Creamery goat cheese, but you can use any goat cheese that you might like. We're gonna add in, it's about 4 or maybe 5 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to add in just a little bit of olive oil. You're going to want to take a container, a vessel, something. I have this old Corningware, and I think it looks cool. And all we're going to do is we're just going to spoon this mixture right in there. A little trick that I like to use is take a larger spoon and warm it up with your hand, and the cheese and stuff won't stick to it. And all you want to do really is just get kind of all the air bubbles out, make it look nice. All right, our stuff is done. It has come out of the oven. We've got some bread here to toast momentarily. We're gonna spoon on these dates with the bacon. Yummy. So I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to the honey, a little bit more. Cayenne will just give us a little bit of heat. Now if your honey is really clumpy like this, you can go ahead and stick it over the stove. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. And we're going to do our bread. I'm sure all of you folks know how to toast bread. Butter. Cast iron is the way to go. Cast iron makes the nicest little bread. Just going to mix this up a little bit. Oh my God. I wish you guys watching this could come here and taste this, because it was just absolutely to die for. I'm going to take some beautiful stuff there. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everybody else, thank you so much for watching. This was amazing. This is so good. My wife and I are going to eat it now. As always, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on the socials, and most important, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I got nothing else for you. One more thing. Some for y'all to remember out there. Life is too short to drink cheap booze.